Hi, I'm down 128 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, and this week I'm on vacation at Lake Chautauqua, New York. If you'd like to see the kind of things I eat on vacation, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for tuning in my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. This week I'm spending a week with my family at Lake Chautauqua, New York. We have a big group of people. There's about 31 people here, and we all take a separate day of cooking meals. So I'm gonna bring you along and let you know the kind of food that I'm eating on our trip. Newsflash, newsflash, newsflash. I'm interrupting this video to say that I screwed up bad. And this video is not what it was going to be. I got on the scale when I got home. I gained 4.8 pounds. So this video is a weigh-in and then what I did on my vacation at Lake Chautauqua. So fingers crossed we'll get back on track and bring back those healthy habits that I lost. This video was supposed to be a how to eat healthy on vacation, but instead of winning at weight loss, I was kind of losing at weight loss. But the plan is to get back on track, but I'm going to share a little bit of what I ate on the lake and some videos, pictures of our vacation. Stay tuned.
The first day we had homemade soup with chicken salad sandwiches, which I did pretty good on that.
So it's day 2 of our vacation. It's pretty hard to stay on track here. I swear everyone is doing things to tempt me. They have cupcakes and brownies and waffles and chocolate covered pretzels and chips and dip, and my willpower is breaking down. I'm trying not to eat so much. I didn't have breakfast or lunch, and then I try just to eat dinner. And I'm trying what I can. We have 30 people here, and every night someone cooks a different dinner.
Other things on the menu were spaghetti and meatballs and Mongolian chicken and beef and a taco bar and ham and sausage, cabbage and noodles, hot dogs, baked beans. It was a week of a lot of food that was not Weight Watcher friendly.
And today was steak, and it was a big steak. And I never eat that much steak, but it was so good. And then trying to get steps in, I walk up and down by our pier, but I don't really have a place to walk like I do at home, so it's pretty hard to get my steps in every day. So just keep on trying, keep our fingers crossed.
Is that fun?
Yes.
Yes. We've been coming up to this lake in New York since I was 13 years old, so it's been quite a number of years. It's a beautiful lake. We did try to get some exercise. We had a baseball game going. We could go on paddle boats and just fishing on the pier. We went golfing one day at Pecan Peak, which is a beautiful course in New York.
Day 5 of our vacation, and it's pretty hard to stay on track. I think I'm gonna have to wash this trip up as a staying on track vacation. So I will have to get back on it when I get back to Ohio. Too many snacks, too much good food, too much being out of routine.
This is where I would get some steps each day, even though I didn't get 10,000. We had golf carts up to the house, and I walked it every time, except once. These were my steps up to this house.
It's our last morning at the lake. The weather, it wasn't so good. We didn't get to go out in boats a lot and go fishing, but we got to be together. My eating was horrible. I have to get back on the plan and get on it. It's a nice, beautiful place to stay though. I've been coming up here since 1969. That's a wrap on my Chautauqua Lake 2021 vacation video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!